Everywhere, right? ChatGPT. It feels like this thing just exploded onto the scene and is already changing, well, everything. But what's the real deal with it? Forget the hype for a second. We're gonna pull back the curtain and show you how this AI assistant can seriously become your new secret weapon. And I get it, new tech can feel intimidating, like you need to be some kind of computer whiz to even touch it. But here's the crazy thing. While the technology behind it is mind-bendingly complex, actually using it is shockingly simple. No, you don't have to be a tech genius. You just have to be curious. So, let's get you started. Okay, so first things first. Let's just tackle the biggest question head on. This is the big one, isn't it? Everybody's trying to figure it out. Is it a smarter Google? A fancy chatbot? What is this thing? Think of it like this. It's an AI that you can talk to, just like a person. And its entire job is to help you figure stuff out. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your brain. You need a question answered? Done. A poem written? Easy. You need it to translate something or even write computer code? It can do that too. It's a partner in problem solving. I absolutely love this way of thinking about it. Forget the code and the algorithms for a minute. Imagine having a personal tutor for anything. One that's available 24/7, never gets tired of your questions, and will never ever make you feel silly for asking something. That's the vibe. It's there to help, not to judge. All right, you're probably thinking, okay, I'm in. How do I get my hands on this? Well, the best part is it's incredibly easy to get going. Let's walk through it. Seriously, this will take you maybe 60 seconds. You just go to the website chat.openai.com and hit sign up. You can type in your email, or even faster, just link your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. And yes, you heard that right. You can start using it for free. Now you'll see a few different options. Honestly, the free plan is fantastic. It's more than powerful enough for almost anything you'll throw at it. If you find yourself using it all day, every day, then sure, the Plus plan gives you more power and some cool extra features. And Pro, well, that's for the real heavy hitters. My advice, just start with free. It's all you need to see what's possible. Okay, you're signed up, you're logged in. This is where it gets really fun. Let's talk about what you can actually do now, because it's kind of like you just unlocked a bunch of new superpowers. And listen, this is way more than just typing in a text box. You can literally talk to it using the voice feature on your phone. You can show it pictures. You can upload entire documents, like a long, boring PDF, and ask for a summary. It's designed to fit how you work, not the other way around. And just to give you a sense of how wild this gets, check this out. You can literally open your refrigerator, take a picture of the random stuff you have left, and ask it, hey, what can I make for dinner with this? And it will give you actual recipes. I'm not kidding. This isn't some far-off future tech. You can do this right now. But wait, it gets better. It doesn't just understand things, it creates things. Thanks to a built-in tool called DALL-E, you can ask it to make an image of pretty much anything you can imagine, right in the middle of your chat. So you're talking about ancient Rome? Just say, show me a photorealistic image of a chariot race, and boom, there it is. So all these features are amazing, but what does that actually mean for you? How does this stuff translate into solving actual real-world problems in your life? Let's get practical. It pretty much boils down to three big areas where this tool is a huge help: your job, your education, and just your regular day-to-day life. Let's break those down real quick. At work, it's like having the world's most efficient assistant. Think about that email you've been dreading writing. Just tell ChatGPT what to say, and it'll draft it for you. Or that 50-page report you don't have time to read, upload it and ask for the 5 most important takeaways. It's an incredible time saver. And for school, oh man, it's a total game changer. For students, it's that personal tutor we talked about. It can explain a really complex topic from your physics class in a way you actually understand. For teachers, it can help brainstorm lesson plans or create study guides. It's just a massive boost for learning. And in your daily life, the sky's the limit. I mean, just take something like translation. You can instantly and accurately translate between tons of languages. So whether you're traveling abroad or just trying to connect with someone, you have this powerful tool right in your pocket. Okay, now that you're probably buzzing with ideas, we need to have a quick but really important chat about how to use this tool smartly and responsibly. This part is key. This right here is the single most important question you need to ask. And let me be perfectly clear, the answer is no.
Absolutely not.
Sometimes, the AI can do something that researchers call a hallucination. Basically, because it's designed to be helpful and always give an answer, if it doesn't know something for sure, it might just make something up. And the tricky part is, it will sound completely confident while doing it.
Which brings us to the golden rule. The most important piece of advice I can give you: people first, people last. Start with your idea. Let the AI help you, let it accelerate your work, but you have to be the one to check it at the end. You have to fact-check it, edit it, and make sure it's accurate. You are the pilot, it's the co-pilot.
So to get the best stuff out of it, here are a few final tips. Be specific. The clearer your instructions, the better the result. If you have a big, complicated request, break it into smaller pieces. And remember, it's a conversation. If you don't love the first answer, don't just give up. Ask it a follow-up. Say, okay, that's good, but can you make it funnier? Guide it. So there you go. The keys are in your hand. You now have access to one of the most powerful tools ever built. And it's ready to help you create, learn, and solve problems in ways you haven't even thought of yet. Your AI assistant is officially ready for you. So the only question left is, what are you going to ask it first?